Connecting the AC power cable. Check that both DC switches are set to off. Crimp the OT terminals using hydraulic pliers. Connecting the PE cable. Loosen the 2 screws on the maintenance compartment door. Open the door and install the support bar. Remove the cover and hang it on the hook of the door. Route the cable through the sealing nut and then through the rubber liner. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the AC output power cable. Connect the AC output power cable. Tighten the sealing nut.